Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide apps on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to hide any application on your iPhone, you need to do is locate and press and hold the application you want to hide. Then click on require passcode. Once you click on that, locate and click on hide and require passcode. You'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode or verify your Face ID. Now you see that says hide this particular application from your iPhone. Go ahead and click on hide, and then the application will be removed from your app screens. Now to access the application again, make sure you go to your app library, scroll down, you should see hidden folder at the bottom right. Click on it once, confirm your Face ID or type in your passcode, then press and hold the application, click on don't require passcode, confirm the passcode again, and then the application will be removed from the hidden folder. Now go ahead and search for the application, press and hold the application, then click on add to home screen. So add the application back to your home screen, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to hide apps on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.